So our JFI this week was actually implemented by our team members. They're a little camera shy, but we decided to add this cubby. They needed more space for all the materials to be held, so instead of shoving everything underneath, we got this wall on each individual side of the tables for them to set all the cleaning supplies and scissors and so forth, like gloves. We also extended the tables, made them longer and wider. Before, when they were cleaning the windows, it would hit up against the wood, but now they're much bigger windows and bigger tables. We can just sit there, turn around, they can clean as needed with nothing in their way. From here, we then move it to the foam table. This used to be on the edge where these cubbies were, so they would have to have it drag over one of the tables, and that would have to have one of the team members stop working. Now it's just in the middle. They can do what they need to do over here and then instantly go over here, wrap it as they need to, and into the box, which is typically right here. All their idea, we just help make it happen.